What's going on, everybody? Tom here with Ketolifestyle, and as I promised in my last vlog video, today we are going to be making a ketogenic hot chocolate. Now this hot chocolate is a bit of a fat bomb, but I wouldn't make it every single day just due to the artificial sweetener content, but it is absolutely delicious and perfect for this holiday season. So stick around and let's do it. Our first ingredient is half a cup of heavy whipping cream, followed by 2 cups of either almond milk or water. If you're allergic to nuts or you want to cut down the carbs a little bit, use water. Sometimes I'll even mix it half and half. To that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I should note here that my stove is on a medium-low heat. You don't want it too hot. Next, we're going to add around 20 drops of liquid stevia. Feel free to play with this number depending on your sweet tooth and taste buds. And for a little bit more sweetness without the overpowering effects of stevia, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of erythritol. Now I'm going to go ahead and just mix this up. You could have been mixing all along, but it doesn't really matter since this is actually going to be on the stove for a little while. So go ahead and mix this up till you get most of the clumps out. It doesn't need to be perfect at this stage. Once you are satisfied that your hot chocolate to be is mixed fairly well, we're going to add 60 grams of Lily's chocolate chips. And then we're going to slowly stir this. You'll notice as I stir that the ingredients are going to get darker and the hot chocolate is going to start looking more like hot chocolate. This can take upwards of 5 minutes, so just go ahead and stir it slowly until everything is melted and it reaches the consistency that you want. Optionally at this point, you can add a little bit of salt and about a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That'll definitely add some flavor to this. So now that you guys have seen how to make it, I'm here with the official Ketolifestyle taste test. But you'll notice that I went ahead and swapped the coffee mug that's in the thumbnail for a clear glass. That's because you guys are always asking to see the finished product, and there's not really a good way to show this while it's in a coffee mug. So I'm going to go ahead and just bring this a little bit closer to the camera here. Hopefully it focuses in, you guys can see the color. There's a little bit of whipped cream in there. And that whipped cream came from a video that I previously made, which I'll link in the card right here. But without any further ado, it's time for the taste test. Now that really hits the spot when I'm craving hot chocolate. The thing about it is going to be less sweet than regular hot chocolate. As with everything on keto that I make, I dial down the sweeteners. A, I don't like having a bunch of artificial sweeteners. B, I feel like once you've been on keto for a while, your taste buds change and suddenly sweet becomes too sweet. So this is just the perfect balance for me, but feel free to play with the sweeteners as you see fit. Now the one last thing that I want to mention is you can swap out the almond milk for water if you are allergic to nuts or something like that. I find that the almond milk has a lot more flavor to it, but the water has less carbs and does not contain nuts. So if you're trying to save some carbs or allergic to nuts, go ahead and swap that out for water instead of almond milk. Without anything else, guys, I'm going to go ahead and close the video. If you like the video, leave it a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed yet, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell. You'll be notified when any more of my videos come out, and you'll be doing me a huge favor. So with that, I will see you in the next one.